Hey guys, my name is Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so we are on day number 26 and I am sharing my journey with you as I go through the Flylady's 31 baby steps. Day number 26, we are not adding a new baby step today. Today we are going to talk about jumping in where you are at. This day could not have been more perfect for me today. If you watched my video yesterday, which was day 25, I can't even think of the title of that video yesterday. But I just remember yesterday was a rough day for me and I didn't get any of my routines done, and that's okay. Today, we're talking about jumping in where you are at, which for me, that meant today, even though I had a crummy day yesterday, I was gonna get up, I was gonna open my control journal and get my morning routine started. I did it this morning, y'all. I got up, got dressed to shoes before school. It was really great. Had my bed made, swished and swiped. Whatever the things are on my morning routine, I got those done and it felt really good. As the day continues on today, I will continue on with my afternoon routine and my evening routine. So I am living proof. If you have a rough day, just the next day jump back in. Maybe even if you have just a rough morning or you have a rough evening, you don't let it have to mess up the entire day. You can just jump in where you're at and keep going. So here's your little pep talk today. Wherever you're at, whatever you missed, it doesn't mean that you're a failure. It doesn't mean that you're doomed to fail the Flylady system. There's not a right or a wrong way to do this. The important thing is that you just keep doing. You just keep going. I said this yesterday in my video. You just keep putting one foot in front of the other and keep going. All right, so today's short and sweet. Keep doing your morning routine, your afternoon routine, evening routine. If you miss something, just jump back in wherever you're at and start again, and it's totally okay. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys tomorrow.